Okay, in this drawing we are going to look at how to do e-transmit in Autocad. The reason to do e-transmit is it helps to bind the xref and makes it suitable to share with other people. I mean, we just can't share our sheets just like that, because it will again create problem for xref referencing. In that case, you have to save path again. To escape all of that things, we will just use the help of e-transmit. So it's quite simple. You are going to the application menu and publish. So here you have the option for the e-transmit. So when I'm going to click on the e-transmit, a dialog box will pop up. Okay, before that, sometimes he asks you to save this drawing. If you have a random drawing, you're just going to click OK, and probably you can just save it somewhere as a temporary. Right. And I don't want to include this drawing in my e-transmit, so I can just uncheck it. Right. So basically I'm going to perform two functions here. I'm going to say add file, and I'm going to say transmittal setups. Let's say first of all I'm going to add the files which I need to bind. Right. So I'll go to my project. I'll go to the sheet folder. So these are all the drawings I can bind in one instance. So let me select all the files, and I'm going to say open. So the drawings are here. I can just go through this one, file table. So this is okay. Now you can see that the e-transmit will help you to gather everything, even the CTP. What is the CTP you're using for this project? That also you can get in that folder. We will see that when we do the e-transmit. Now I'm going to the e-transmittal setups. I can create my own setup, and also I can say just click simply modify. Okay, try to keep every time the zip folder is better, and bind external references. So keep it bind as it is, and place all files in one folder. So these are three things that you have to check, and I can say okay, close, and when I'm going to say okay, it will ask me the path where to save the folder. So I'll go to the desktop again and go to the project folder. Now we'll go to the issued and final submission, and then out of this one we are going to issue the drawing. So you will go to the drawing folder and you will say save. So it will perform some function. Okay, so once it's done, you will come back to the folder and you will go to the drawing, and it's a zip file, so you have to extract it. I'm going to right click, and I'm just going to use extract here. So I have all the files. I can get rid of this folder. I don't want this one now. Right. So now I can just check myself. Open, project issued, submission, drawing. Let's say I'm going to open the floor plan. And now when I type the xref, I can see that no AutoCAD files will be attached to this drawing except the images. Right, that's good. So the thing is that when you are going to send me the AutoCAD files, you have to perform this function and then send me. Simply the final thing is that you can just come here, right click and zip the folder, and then send me the folder. Okay, thank you.